Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore FortiClient VPN access after certificate expiration step by step clearly. To restore FortiClient VPN access after a certificate expiration, begin by checking the current status of your VPN connection. Open your FortiClient application on your device. Navigate to the VPN section within the application. Verify if a notification regarding certificate expiration is displayed. If you see a notification, take note of the certificate details. Next, open your web browser and access the Fortinet support page to download the latest certificates. Search for the FortiClient VPN client version compatible with your operating system. Download the appropriate certificate file to your computer. Locate the FortiClient installation directory on your system. Typically, this can be found in the Program Files or Applications folder. Copy the newly downloaded certificate file into the FortiClient installation directory. Now, return to the FortiClient application. In the VPN section, select the Settings option. Look for the Certificates tab within the Settings. Click on the button to add a new certificate. Browse to the location where you saved the new certificate file. Select the new certificate and confirm the selection. Ensure the new certificate is now displayed in the list of available certificates. Next, test your VPN connection. Click on the VPN connection you wish to use. Attempt to connect and monitor for successful authentication. If the connection is established, your FortiClient VPN access has been successfully restored. In case of any errors, double-check the certificate installation steps. Ensure that the certificate is valid and properly configured. If issues persist, consult the Fortinet documentation or reach out to your IT support team for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.